Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a backup of the PPTX so nothing is lost. This is non-negotiable. Once saved, inspect file size and linked media to find large assets that cause lag. Make sure you note missing fonts and embedded videos. They often break slides. Open PowerPoint in safe mode if it crashes on launch, and use the built-in recover tool to extract slides. This first sweep prevents data loss and gives you a clear list of what to fix next. Once you have the list, replace or compress oversized images and videos to reduce file bloat. 5 MB images and 720p video are often sufficient for presentations. Next, open Slide Master to repair inconsistent layouts, reset placeholders, and ungroup problematic objects that prevent editing. Make sure to reapply consistent fonts and substitute missing ones with similar system fonts to avoid layout shifts. You finish by optimizing and testing thoroughly. Run Inspect Document to clear hidden comments, custom XML, and personal data that can cause issues. Export a PDF and run the slideshow on the presentation device to verify fonts, video playback, and projector resolution, 16:9 or 4:3 as needed. If corruption or odd behavior continues, create a new PPTX and import slides to rebuild the deck. This often resolves deep file corruption. If stuck, try the troubleshooting tip below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.